I have with me the Rajya Sabha MP of Congress Party, JB Mathur. She comes from the state of Kerala. JB, how do you look at the recent local body elections in the state of Kerala? Were the results on the line, on the expected lines for the Congress Party?
Of course, yes, it's a spectacular victory sweeping through the state for Congress Party, and the people of Kerala have decided that for local body elections as well as the forthcoming assembly election, it is the Congress Party who should be given the opportunity, and definitely it is hard hitting on the CPM-led government, and Chief Minister has no moral right to continue with such a defeat on his cap. So it's like this is what we expected. This is certainly people's verdict.
But how do you see BJP also has been able to make some inroads as far as Karnataka, as far as Kerala's this politics goes, or the municipal elections are concerned? How do you see that?
BJP about the victory of Kerala. So if you look at 6 corporations, 4 corporations, Congress has won. One corporation is won by BJP. District Panchayat, they have not won a single district Panchayat. Out of 14 district Panchayats, Congress has won 7 district Panchayat. And in the entire state, if you look, forget winning a district panchayat, there's only single one Jilla Panchayat member for BJP, one member. So they remain zero at block panchayats. They are at zero earlier also, now also. So if you look at
This makes no difference as far as assembly elections, which are going to take place next year, are concerned. Do you think this is going to create some impact as far as BJP's overall performance in assembly elections is concerned?
no, this is definitely a swing in favor of Congress party. It's very clear from the results. You look at the results, it's like out of the panchayats, more than 600 panchayats we have won. So every level, municipalities, more than 3/4 of the municipality we have won. So what are we talking about? We are talking about something which is one corporation they won, and that cannot be the setting the trend for the 2026. Setting the trend for 2026 is Kollam Corporation be winning, Thrissur Corporation be winning, Cochin Corporation be winning, Kannur Corporation be winning.
It gives more confidence to your cadre at the grassroots level to work hard for the party, and of course, you are more hopeful about the assembly elections now.
Certainly, our workers, cadres, leaders, everybody is in full excitement and motivated and very confident. And we are prepared to do double the hard work to achieve greater success for the 2026 assembly election.
And you expect a Congress, a UDF government there in the state of Kerala?
Yes, certainly. We expect a Congress Chief Minister and a UDF government.
Thank you very much. So that's JB Mathur clearly saying that she expects a Congress government, a Congress Chief Minister in the state of Kerala next year. Lakshmi India TV.